Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you best widgets in your Windows 10. So first of all, you have to download the widgets from Microsoft Store. So I will install it. So download has been started and now download has been done. So I will open it. Then OK, new widget. So in my case, I will create clock widget, then customize, and then you can check his position according to your need, where you want time, text, so you can increase font size, like I need more font size and font weight, semi bold, bold, extra bold, font style, italic, and your widgets has been done. And you can create and you can change his background according to your need. So now one widget has been created.